lives on every floor, from ancient days to things brand new. There's so much here for you. In the museum, there's so much to see, from armored knights to toys and tea. A golden hat, a velvet gown. We stroll through time in Nuremberg town. We start with stones from ages past, a spear, a pot, a tool that lasts. Then through the Middle Ages gate, where dragons dream and legends wait. The Renaissance brings color bright, with candle glow and scholars light. Baroque and books from long ago, with powdered wigs in golden glow. In the museum, there's so much to see, an ancient wheel, a melody, a sword, a song, a stitched up shoe. Each hallway tells a tale or two. The 19th century rolls in, with steam trains, clocks, and violin. Then modern art and Bauhaus bold, with corners sharp and stories told. Then instruments from every age, from zithers soft to organ stage. A pluck, a beat, a flute, a bell. The halls begin to swell. Now swords and armor, shields and bows, and gardens where the fountain flows. A carved out chair, a table grand, all crafted by a master's hand. Folk art shows the people's heart, with color, craft, and homespun art. Then trades and tools and healing lore, with saws and herbs and something more. In the museum, there's so much to see, with quills and ink and tapestry. A castle plan,
let's see.
a painter's line. The German art archive is fine. And when you think you've seen it all, the guide will smile.